12 Vitamin B12 deficiency symptoms women should never ignore. Hey everyone! Vitamin B12 is essential for keeping your body healthy, especially for women. From forming red blood cells to supporting nerve function, B12 ensures your body's systems run smoothly. Today, we're diving into the symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency women should never ignore. Ready to find out if you might be at risk? Let's get started. Let's talk about fatigue. We've all had those days when we feel completely drained, but when fatigue is persistent, it's time to pay attention. Constant fatigue despite rest could signal B12 deficiency. Discuss it with your healthcare provider. Have you ever felt that sudden wave of dizziness, like the room is spinning? Or noticed a general sense of weakness, like your limbs are made of jelly? When red blood cells aren't produced sufficiently due to a B12 deficiency, your brain and muscles may lack the oxygen they need. Don't ignore these feelings, especially if they happen regularly. These could be early signs of a serious deficiency. Our skin reflects our inner health, showing what's happening inside our bodies. If your skin becomes paler or develops a yellowish tint, known as jaundice, consult your doctor. Changes in skin color should be checked by a doctor to see if B12 deficiency is the cause. Shortness of breath, that feeling of not getting enough air, is a serious symptom that should never be ignored. When B12 levels are low, your body might not produce enough red blood cells, leaving you breathless. Shortness of breath should never be ignored, especially if it's accompanied by fatigue or dizziness. We've all experienced that strange sensation of pins and needles, usually after sitting in an awkward position for too long. But when numbness and tingling persist without an obvious cause, it's time to investigate further. These can be early signs of nerve damage, so address a potential B12 deficiency before it worsens. We all have our ups and downs, but when mood swings become frequent or you experience persistent sadness, irritability, or depression, it's essential to look beyond a bad day. When B12 levels are low, neurotransmitter production can be disrupted, leading to mood imbalances and contributing to depression and anxiety. If you're experiencing unexplained mood swings or depression, consider whether a B12 deficiency could be contributing to your symptoms. Our brains are incredible organs, relying on a delicate balance of nutrients to function optimally. Cognitive decline, including memory, focus, and concentration issues, should never be taken lightly. B12 is essential for brain function, and even a mild deficiency can impact cognitive abilities. If you're experiencing these symptoms, get your B12 levels checked. Our mouths are often overlooked in overall health, but they provide valuable clues about our bodies. Oral health issues like glossitis, inflammation of the tongue, and recurring mouth ulcers can signal deeper problems, such as B12 deficiency. If you have persistent mouth sores, a sore or smooth tongue, or changes in taste, check your B12 levels. Our vision is precious, and any changes should be taken seriously. If you notice blurry vision, double vision, or shadowy lines or spots in your vision, seek medical advice immediately. Suspect a B12 deficiency? Consult your doctor. Our hearts beat steadily, often without us noticing. When your heart starts racing or pounding, it can be alarming. It's important to determine if palpitations are linked to a B12 deficiency or another issue. Our digestive systems are complex, and many factors can influence their function. If you're experiencing chronic digestive problems, such as nausea, constipation, or loss of appetite, check your B12 levels to see if a deficiency could be the cause. Hormones play a delicate dance in our bodies, influencing everything from our menstrual cycles to our ability to conceive. For women experiencing unexplained fertility issues or menstrual problems, such as irregular periods or severe cramps, it's essential to consider having your B12 levels tested. Wow, we've covered a lot today. From persistent fatigue to digestive issues, vitamin B12 deficiency can mimic other conditions. If you're experiencing these symptoms, see a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis. Ready to take charge of your health? Let me know in the comments if these symptoms sound familiar and what steps you're taking. Stay informed, stay healthy, and take care of your body.